What's up, you guys? It's your girl Jaydajonet, and I'm back with another video. And today we have a video sponsored by Yolissa Hair. Shout out to y'all for sponsoring this video. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all this 30-inch loose deep wave wig. This is about where it stops on me. It's super duper cute. This is one of my favorite textures because it's not too curly, but it's not too loose. You guys want to see how I got this look? Continue into the video. Okay, so I'm starting off with my bald cap. Today I didn't feel like doing the ghost bond method. I just did the quick little got to be method. So that was just drying. I'm trying on my wig to see if I need to cut any ear tabs off or anything. Parting my hair. As y'all see, I over bleach as always. I wanted to try something new, so I started braiding the hair so I could do like them 4 braids. Okay, so here I'm just putting makeup on my cap, getting a little bit of makeup just to match my tone, and now I'm gonna cut the cap off. And the got to be method makes it easier to cut the cap off, and you can pretty much size it how you want to. With the ghost bond method, you really have to put it on exactly how you want it to, or you will not be able to change it unless you pull it up. So with that being said, here I'm just cleaning my head off with alcohol, going back in and sizing that wig again. As y'all see, I had to pull some of the cap up. Like I said, it's easier to customize using ghost bond. Got to be, I keep getting them confused, than ghost bond. So here, trying the wig on again, and I'm about to get ready to pick my placement. I'm gonna go in with the Ghost Bond XL, lay that glue, and I did go section by section instead of gluing it all at once, because I've noticed that when I go all at once, it makes it harder for my wig to stick because the glue is drying really fast. So here I'm just applying it, and I'm going to do that with each section. You're just going to apply your glue in about 3 layers, blow dry it, and then go ahead and place your wig. That way when you place the rest of the sections, it's easier to let it lay down. So I start with the one in the middle, then go to the 2 on the side, and this has been working for me recently because it's much simpler and it dries better basically. So just blow drying it for some security. Then I'm gonna go on with my elastic band for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then when the elastic band is ready, I'm just gonna cut that lace off, and y'all see it's pretty much a seamless glue down. Just seeing my lace and all of that. Then I'm gonna pull out some baby hairs. I'm gonna do 3 on each side, and that's just what y'all see me doing. Gonna pluck, then you cut, then you curl, and then you swoop, and that's all it is to it. I am working on my baby hairs. I'm trying to get better. I do see a little progress, but it is always plenty of room for improvement. So that's just what I'm doing, getting everything flat and ready to perfect it. To lay my baby hairs, I use a mixture of got to be gel and got to be spray, and it works pretty good for me. And this is pretty much what I came up with as far as baby hairs for the first 2. Then I'm just gonna swoop the sideburns. Like I said, y'all, I gotta get better with my edges because it didn't give everything it could have gave. And so I'm just swooping them and getting them together. I was going to do just 2 edges, but I was like, nah, let me do my little swoop, because something about that swoop, I gotta have my swoop. So I just went ahead and did it, and y'all see it's swooping or whatever. And that just made it look so much better, y'all. It looks really good with the swoops. I don't know, this is my favorite baby hair combo. 2 on the sides and the front, 2 swoops in the middle, and a nice little curled sideburn. So here I'm just flattening out the wig, deciding on how I want to wear it, how I want to get it, how I want to, wear this mug. So I wanted to do a half up, half down, and that's what I was really set on, because at first I wanted to do the braids. So here I'm just gonna get ready in the process to lay this wig down. And basically I did it for no reason, because I'm only gonna end up wearing the inside part. So if you'd be interested in a half up, half down do, you're really just going to need a wax stick and some type of holding spray. Not too firm of a holding spray because you don't want the hair to be hard. I was really dead set on getting this half hair down. Like, I was really struggling, and it actually looked good, but I am like a perfectionist and I cannot stand when my hair don't look good. So I was going in and in, burning my head with that hot comb. Y'all, that hot comb be so hot, and I was still not getting it. So I was really frustrated about that, but it still ended up coming out cute. So y'all see I'm scratching my head. I'm like, okay, what's why is it not giving? But in the end it's gonna be cute. So I really could have stopped here and left it alone. It was cute. It was giving. I really wanted to do some big wine curls, but I realized that my mama had my wine curler, so I couldn't do it. And then I was like, okay, bun it up, curls in it down, cute. But I was just not feeling it for some reason. I don't know if it was because I couldn't see the full effect. I had on one lash, half lash, no lash. And I should have just ripped all the lashes off, because it's better with no lashes than half lashes, because it just don't be giving. So I couldn't really get the full effect, the gist or whatever, but I'm sure now looking back it was really, really cute. But I gassed my head up and I was like, okay, yeah, this is it, I'm gonna keep it. But in reality, I didn't like the ponytail because I felt like it was bumpy. So you know what I did? Y'all don't know what I did. Your girl took it out. Okay, so this is the finished product. I like it, I love it. This is one of my favorites. I love curly hair. Shout out to Yolissa for sponsoring this video. I love this wig. They are having a Black Friday sale, so you better get on it. Y'all better get y'all some hair for the holidays. I love y'all, and I will see you guys in the next weekend video. Bye.